If you are holding XRP, I have a massive update video for you. In my opinion, the crypto market is about to make a massive move. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts of where I think it is about to head in the immediate short term. So you guys better get ready. It's going to be absolutely insane. Make sure you guys, if you love XRP, give this video a thumbs up so we can share it with other people that love XRP. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video. What we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is XRP has pumped all the way up today to $3. So from the very bottom of 269, XRP $3 has already bounced up 10%. That is a very significant bounce. And as you can see, XRP is forming a triple bottom. You could also consider this an inverse head and shoulders pattern, but this is what a bottom reversal, a bullish reversal pattern can look like. And this is looking very, very good. XRP is holding this key level. Not only that, this was a previous breakout zone. XRP has tapped it. Look, you see, this was previous resistance. Resistance here, and now what XRP is doing, it's holding very strongly above previous resistance. And if you know anything about technical analysis, if you know anything about trading, this is a very, very bullish event. If, however, we do break under this support, then we would be looking towards this level here. But right now, at this very moment, it does not look like that. So we could even delete that from the chart. XRP literally is one of the most strongest coins. Every single time the market crashes or dumps, XRP is usually one of the first coins to bounce and pump the hardest. I don't know why, but ultimately there is a lot of demand. People are loading up on XRP. Whales are loading up on XRP at a massive pace. And that is an indication that something very big is about to take place. So what we need to watch here is we have this resistance, these resistance points here, and they form a resistance level. So we can see that XRP is at resistance. Again, it is forming a bull flag, and XRP has attempted many times to break out of this bull flag. Here we had a breakout here. You know, we did pump 10%. We made money on that. If you were in my community, we made a lot of money on that. And just the other day, while the market was crashing, we ended up buying back XRP after selling around $3.15, $3.20, somewhere near the top. We sold XRP, and now we were able to buy at a discount, getting XRP about 10% cheaper. So we get 10% more XRP for free. If you guys want to follow exactly what I'm doing as a professional trader, go ahead and join the WAP down below, where you can follow my trades as I make 7 figures a year. So if we use this old trend line, we could see that XRP is also breaking out of the old pattern. And guess what? We just had a retest and kind of a confirmation of a breakout here. We need to get some follow through. And what we also are going to need is we need Bitcoin to continue to push up and hold up, which it's actually looking really, really good. So something that Bitcoin has done is it has retested the previous all-time high, and we have corrected here. And they tried to dump it again, but Bitcoin has formed a higher low. This is something very, very bullish, by the way. There is a lot of demand here that has kept Bitcoin from dumping, and that is a very bullish sign. So this makes me extremely bullish for this to happen. If Bitcoin, however, does break under, start holding under here, then I could see Bitcoin going to 107, and XRP could pull back as well. But as long as Bitcoin continues to hold above 111, this is a very, very bullish thing. If Bitcoin breaks under 111,000, that is a bearish warning sign that we're probably going to pull back one more time again. So just be prepared for these scenarios. Watch these levels that I'm giving you. Set alarms on your trading view, and you're going to be all right. A lot of other coins are looking pretty good. Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, they've looked like they've formed some type of bottom here. There's a lot of demand here at these levels, and this makes me very, very excited. So if XRP does end up breaking out, I am expecting at least very, very soon, and this is going to probably take place very, very quickly, $3.60, $3.70. This could take place for XRP very, very soon. Now, if you guys are going to be trading, you can follow and copy all of my moves, of course, in the WAP, but you want to be trading over on Blofin, the platforms that you guys have been using for years, like Robinhood, Coinbase. The fees are so big, it's literally a joke. They're like robbing you guys. You want to be using a platform that is meant for trading and traders, and this is what I personally use and my community. The link for Blofin is going to be in my video description, where you can lock in the cheapest fees on this platform platform by just my link alone and claim massive bonuses. I also highly suggest that you guys try my trading indicator, AlgoSniper. It will give you buy alerts when you need to buy, sell alerts before every single massive crash. You guys can try this today for free and my community today for free. So go ahead and check out the links in my video description below. Now, if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on because you do not want to be missing these next XRP videos, and I will see you later.